Vito got it out.
It's out. And now, Vlad's job is going to be to clean everything nicely. Careful. Hell yeah. Bro, you just know. You're good, bro. You're good. Somebody didn't install it right. I'm gonna start working on that. Vladdy, big body Vladdy.
Whoa, easy there.
All right. We're draining coolant first.
You jumped like a squirrel.
I did actually. It's like, what was that? Whoa. That's your favorite color right there, the green coolant.
Your favorite.
Damn, that fountain, bro.
Better than our plastic boxes.
Yeah. At least it's cool. Your car still has the factory splash shield. Yes, sir. I think your control arms were changed. Like somebody actually changed your control arms. Like this one.
They said they changed.
And then that one. They look kind of fresh, honestly. Yeah, they did change it actually. Wow, they actually. So all of these were changed. 1, 2, and oh man, and probably tie rods too.
Yeah, they said the tie rods, but I didn't.
Yeah, it's just that.
What's the other one?
What?
The other one comes from. Man.
Yeah, it's your favorite one right there. It's the block drain.
Oh, it's right in there.
Yeah.
I forgot what size that was. Man,
Yeah,
I should have.
these ones.
It's
funny. Someone, instead of actually replacing this tie rod boot, they tried putting the zip ties on here.
Bought the flashlight like you did.
Yeah.
What about you? Oh.
Where is that from, Vlad? It's from this. And there's another one right here. We're gonna do.
VITO'S waterfall.
Yes, sir. Nice, very nice.
Where can I put this?
Using that tool, I loosened up the fan.
Vito got it out.
It's out. And now, Vlad's job is going to be to clean everything nicely here, wipe it down, make it look brand new again. Okay, so now we're going to disconnect that hose and this one. All right, and the radiator is almost out.
So what is that piece called?
Belt. Big body belt.
For
water pump, alternator, and power steering. And then you have another belt right there. We're about to take that off. It's for the AC. Right there. should be a 16 millimeter as well for the tensioner. And we're just gonna change all these belts at the same time and check the pulleys and condition of those. Yeah, just the belt. I mean, I think it's not that bad, but we got new ones. Just do everything at once. This pulley, idler pulley is making some noise. The bearing. Let's try.
That's what you mentioned, the one test driving guy. That noise, it's from that pulley?
It's not as
you
bad.
said?
It could be something else. I don't know. I think he mentioned power steering making a whining noise. That's
yeah,
why.
but that's not what he was referring. But it's interesting.
Okay, we got the belt off. Just checking all the pulleys. Idler pulleys are bad. Alternator was actually recently replaced, so it's good. We're changing the water pump anyways. That's making a weird noise.
What's that one?
The water pump. Interesting. And then this is the idler for the tensioner. Just a little bit of a noise.
VITO'S garage.
Hell yeah, subscribe, save, and restore old school cars because they don't make them like they used to. Remember that.
Electric cars.
Oh yeah. Now we're taking the water pump pulley off. Right there.
Those are all my parts?
Yep.
This too?
Yep.
What is that?
What do you think, Vlad?
Some
You missed it.
radiator. Yeah.
It's the mount for the radiator. Alright, look at that. That's definitely a different design than E38, just a little bit. Let's take this pulley off. Water pump pulley, right there.
Oh, so-
Time to clean that.
Oh, we're reusing this?
This one is gonna get reused, yeah. Yeah, that's definitely okay. Well, it could be the water pump could be making that noise because the coolant, we drained the coolant, so maybe that's why it's just gonna be doing that.
Oh, and that's the lower. What the f are these hoses?
That's for the auxiliary water pump.
It makes me nervous. Okay.
Why are you nervous?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, take
Here
that
it
out.
is.
Careful, there's a sensor over there. It means the sensor will have to get transferred. All right.
Oh, is that what you said you got? Or how does that
I don't know, but that sensor right there.
Oh, this.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it comes with the whole. Okay.
No, now you can carefully pull it out. Just kind of wiggle it out of the place. Damn, that's a lot of junk over there. Yeah, it's a bit of a challenge, so just take your time. Hold on, is there something on the bottom holding it?
No.
It shouldn't be.
Everywhere. What's this?
What do you think that is, Vlad? This is the automatic trans oil cooler lines, which is this one, and this is the power steering cooler. All of this can get cleaned up now.
That's my stupidity.
Okay, grab all these rubbers.
Wait,
we need them.
It's gonna, okay. Oh, so this does come off.
Yeah, so this one's completely messed up and it's making a noise. Spin it. You can't hear it, but you could hear it when it was on the car.
Might as well just cut this off. It's not doing anything good for us.
You can if you want. You can just, it will break off if you squeeze it. So wrap these wires. All right, so we're gonna install this metal thermostat housing with the thermostat in there. Okay, there's the seal, all nice. This is all cleaned up right here. Ready to go. So I'll go ahead and install that. So align these bolts. Also putting grease right here on all these bolts.
A few moments later.
Big body, Vladdy. BMW.
House remaining.
Ready to. Way overdue, but we're good. Look at that. At least I'm glad it fits good.
In this space?
Yeah.
Oh, for that side. Vito.
All right. I'm gonna start putting coolant in. Everything's back together. Trim off. Do you want a funnel? What the?
What?
Bro.
The paper fell in. I thought that came out. What the?
It's in there. You gotta retrieve that, bro. Come on, Vladdy, daddy.
And then 2,000 after.
So continue like that for a little bit, and then with 2,000. Damn, they love that car.